So in this video, guys, I've just bought myself a new Android tablet, which is the Galaxy Tab A9. What a palaver, especially with the Samsung. Trying to download the DJI Fly app, I had to download a APK installer for it to work. Without downloading that, it wouldn't work. So that was my first problem. I'm not going to show you how to do it. There's plenty of videos out there. So if you do get this type of tablet, which to me has only been out a couple of months, I thought it would go straight in, but you still need to download an installer for that. You get the cable with it, so that's handy. So I'm just going to rig up I got my RCM one as well. So I'm just going to plug that in. That's that one done. I'm going to put the cable into the tablet. So that's that done. No doubt it's going to say something. Now, I've already got an extender for my RCN one because obviously the phone's not going to go in there. So I'm going to put the tablet in there. So first thing we do, guys, is turn on the RCM one. I'm going to turn on the drone. We'll just get rid of the tablet in a minute because my bench is getting a little bit cluttered. Have a cup of tea. Right. What you need to do first, guys, you've got to make sure you're connected to your DJI Fly app first, just to make sure, just the once. Okay. Right, go to settings. Right. Okay, so what it's doing first is just utilising itself. So when I turn the app on, I'm going to put on large text, I think, because I'm an old person. Okay, so that's in. So we're all fine there, so we'll just make sure that's all connected. I thought I might have had to bind it up, so that was interesting, really. Okay, what I might do, I will do a test flight, just to see if that takes off. So, let's just put that back there a minute. Let's just drop that back. Let's be safe. Okay. Let's do takeoff.
Takeoff.
Okay. That's good. Bring that back down.
Landing.
Right. And the reason...
Landing.
Yeah, the main reason I've done that is because I wanted to make sure that it's hooked up with the Mini 3 Pro. So that's good. So I can come out of that now. Right, come out of that. Okay, so we're out of that. So what I've got to do now is go into my Dronelink DJI. Now this is, guys, you've got to remember this. If you download the Dronelink, you've got to make sure you download another app called the Dronelink DJI, or else the Mini 3 Pro will not work with it. So I'm just going into it now, and what's going to happen when it connects up, allow access. Right, I'm just going to say that. Okay, so it's gone straight in straight away, just to prove that. Okay. So the main reason I made this little short video is because I had a few problems with the Samsung Android connecting up, and I want to check videos online. Obviously, it's got a problem for some reason, so you've got to make sure you download that app, guys, and then you have no problems. Anyway, it's just a short video. Just wanted to show you. It's all hooking up, all ready to work. There'll be another video very soon to do with Dronelink. Catch you soon.